Okay, so what is MoltBot and why it is going very trending nowadays? If you will see the Google trend also, then you can see how it get increased in the past week in the worldwide. Okay, and it is going to be more searched word. So if you hear the word AI agent everywhere, okay, and wondering what they are, and this is video for you. Today I will show you how to set up MoltBot, an open source AI agent framework from zero step by step. Okay, and you don't need any prior experience. I will explain every tool we install, every command we run, and why we do it. So first, what is MoltBot? The question it is, if you are scrolling any social media account, then everyone is talking about MoltBot. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how you can do the setup in your laptop in using your VS Code. So the first and important clarification: MoltBot is not ChatGPT, not Gemini. It's not an AI by itself. MoltBot is a framework that connects a large model tool like email or chat app. Okay, if you will scroll here, you can see that it will work on WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack. You can connect this all, and MoltBot is going to help you. Okay, you can skill and plug in. Okay, you can extend your community. You can give the full access. Okay, it will write a mail for you. It can delete the mail for you. It will do the browsing. Okay, like it will fill your form, it will extract the data from any site. Okay, you can connect your any chat app. The best important thing that the MoltBot is present memory. Okay, remember and become unique, your preference, your context, and your AI. I mean, it have a long lasting memory. So MoltBot is a frame that connect a large language model tool like email or chat app. Okay, an agent that decide what to do. Think of MoltBot as a body, not a brain. Okay, so this is the great clarification that an important clarification that it's just a framework. Okay, if you are going to use MoltBot, it need API keys. You can connect any model. Okay, and what you need before starting. So before we start, let's check the what software we need. Okay, and first we need Git. Okay, then we need Node.js because Moltbot is built with JavaScript and VS Code or any terminal. Okay, and if you don't have Node.js, go to .nodejs.organize. Okay, wait, I'll show you Node.js. Yeah. So go on this website, download the Node from there. Okay, and download the LTS version and install it like a normal app. Okay, and how you can check that? You can check in your command prompt. Okay, if you will write node slash fb. Okay, then you can know about that node install or not. Okay, for example, cmd. I'll show you that node is there or not. So see, you can see that I already have installed Node, so you can like that you can check. Okay, and now we are going to create a project folder, and how that project folder is. So that project folder is already created here. You can see here. Okay, in that project folder, I created a virtual environment just because of my habit, but it don't require any Python. Okay, okay, just give me a minute. Yeah. Okay, so let's. Okay, I have to again clone my code. Okay, see, it's taking a lot of time. I started this process earlier while explaining you what is MoltBot, so that we could go ahead fast. Okay, but it's taking a time. So let's we continue. Okay, so you might notice that I created here a virtual environment. So this is optional. MoltBot don't require virtual environment. I do it because of my habit, as I explained you earlier. So it does not affect MoltBot. Okay, and now here I just paste this link. Okay, git clone http github moltbot.git. So what it is going to do? So now we download MoltBot source code from the GitHub, okay, because MoltBot is open source model. Okay, and this is the large project, so cloning may take some time, so that's why it will take a time. So I will fast forward this video now. Guys, we already did cloning, so now the next step is installing pnpm. Okay, so Moltport use pnpm, a fast package manager for large project. Okay, so how we are going to install this? So we will write a command like npm install pnpm. Okay, if this code will not work in your virtual in your VS Code, then yeah, so it's done. If this code will not work in your VS Code, then what you have to do, you just copy this code and open your PowerShell. Okay, window PowerShell. Okay, and in that window PowerShell, open that window PowerShell as an administrator. Okay, and then run this code. Okay, so it will work at anyhow. Okay, so now this code is done. So now the next step is now you can see here after cloning this package from the GitHub, these all files are here. You can see here. Okay, so it's a large repo. Now we are going to install the dependency. Okay, so how we are going to install that? Let me see. Okay, so I have to go in the moltbot folder. Okay, so now in this folder I will run npm install slash gpnpm. Okay, we have to run this code, I guess here. All right. Okay, so now the we are going to install that dependency. So pnpm install. So now that all dependency is going to install. Okay, and we will see a lot of log. So that's normal. Okay, and yeah, it is going to done. Yeah, so all dependency are installed. Okay, and now we are going to start moltbot CLI. Okay, so this command start the moltbot command line interface. Okay, so pnpm dev. Now it will start the moltbot. Okay, CLI interface. So after doing that, we will do the initial setup. Okay, so this will this create a moltbot local configuration and workspace. Okay, So let pm install. Okay, this command we run here, and after that, these all are the dependency. Okay, which we installed. Okay, and basically it didn't take a lot of time in my laptop because already it installed in my system. Okay, that's why it didn't take a time. But if you are going to start first time, maybe it might be take a little bit of time, like 5 or 10 minutes. If it didn't, it's good. And this is the CLI interface of that MoltBot. And yeah, after doing this, we are going to do setup. Okay, so pm setup. Okay, so this will create a MoltBot local configuration and workspace. Okay. So now you can see here that configuration is okay, workspace is okay, session is okay. It means that MoltBot is now in our system, okay? And how we are going to use it? So I will show the configuration mode, okay? Instead of connecting the chat app, like keeping everything local and minimal, okay? So I will write one more command, that is pm dev and configure, okay? So it will show you let it run. Yep. So this is the configuration command, okay, of the MoltBot, which we already installed, and it didn't take a time. But I want to tell you again, if you are going to do setup first time, it will take a time, okay. Actually, these all things are in my laptop, okay, from a previous. If I will show you this folder here, okay. So actually, I already did this work earlier, okay. That's why it didn't take a time. Okay. So now come to the point here. So this is the configuration, okay. You can select like local here, and after that, if you want to select model, you can select model, gateway, channel, scale, continue, okay. And so this is was the configuration. So you can select anything here, okay. And now I will show the gateway, okay. So pm here plus gateway. Okay, I did mistake. Let it run. So basically, that command is wrong. Okay, so pm dev plus plus. I guess that command is wrong. So let us start pm to gateway. So now, so the gateway is what actually run on malt mode. Okay, and now I will show the status. Okay, so it is. So this is the gateway. Okay, it's showing my name here. Okay, that's Shahid Afadi, and yep, and you can see here that actually I didn't connect in my WhatsApp. Okay, so that's why it's showing error. So let it be. Okay, so and I will show that. I'll terminate that, and I will show you the terminal UI. Okay, so for it pm and TUI. Okay, so terminal UI. Okay, so it will show the MoltBot terminal UI. Okay, so this is the terminal UI. Okay, and actually, if you can say here, I didn't select a model, I didn't select any agent. Okay, like if I will ask any question, explain AI. Okay, so it won't give answer because I didn't select my gateway is not connected. Okay, so now let us stop it and come again. I will show you that pnpm on onboarding. Okay, so what this command is going to do? Yeah, this is the main thing what we are going to do here. Okay, all right. I guess I did a wrong command. So let me write again. Mm, Okay, guys, I guess I did write here wrong command, so I have to write only onboard. So, uh, okay, I guess I write a wrong command here, so I have to write again right one. So pnpm here onboard. I have to write only onboard, not onboarding. Okay, and now you can see that command is going to start now. Come here, and why this error came here? So I will explain you this. Okay, so Moltboard doesn't respond yet because we haven't connected a large language model. Okay, Moltboard doesn't come with AI built in. So in the next video, I will show you that how it's going to work. Okay, I will connect with API key, and how I will connect with that API key. Now in next, I'm going to show you that. Okay, so you will get some information about that Moltboard onboarding security. Okay, you can read here this. What is it? Moltboard is hobby project, still in beta, expert start phase. Okay, so a bad prompt can trick into doing unsafe thing. Okay, so this is the security. Okay, so you have to understand yes or no. So I will, and now I will select yes here. Okay, all right, sorry, pm. I selected no, that's why it just stopped. Okay, so I have to select yes, then I can show you that how powerful it is. So how you can select yes or no, you can just select yes or no. Okay, so I'm going to select yes, then quick start, then configuration handle using existing value. How you can do configuration? That command pm dev and configuration. Okay, using that command you can do configuration according to you. Now see here, you have to select the model. Okay, which model you are going to select. Okay, so you can select any model. Okay, for example, I'm selecting here synthetic. Okay, so I won't write API key here. Okay, so you can therefore I will write demo key. Okay, for example, I written there. Okay, then you have to select which model you want. Okay, so I will keep current model here. Now the thing is here, you can connect your Telegram, you can connect your WhatsApp, Discord, Google, Slack, Signal, iMessage, that all thing which is present in this website. Okay, and for example, if you will click on Telegram bot, it will show you the you have to add bot ID. If you will click on WhatsApp, if you want to connect your WhatsApp, then you have to click on WhatsApp, then it will give a QR code. Okay, and then you can do. Okay, so WhatsApp already linked, relink now. Yes. Okay, so let wait. So guys, I already linked my WhatsApp, so that's why it gave me like that. Okay, waiting for WhatsApp connection. WhatsApp session logout run more board channel login. Okay, so I have to do again. Okay, so we need sender on a mobile number. Okay, so just write any mobile number here. Okay, and just go ahead. Then you have to configuration school. Okay, and then this is how you can do setup here. Okay, So in this video, we learn what is MoltBot, how to install it from scratch, how to run it locally, and why it doesn't answer yet. Okay. So in the next video, we will plug in a real AI and make MoltBot perform a real task. Okay. So if this help you, then like the video and subscribe and comment part two if you want to see how MoltBot actually work. Okay. And yeah, it is beginner friendly, and honestly, that everything was easy. I hope you understand. If you are facing any error while installing, then just let me know in the comment section. So I will see you in the next video, and I will connect how you can use WhatsApp, Telegram, and Gmail to do your work using MoltBot. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like. Thank you so much. Bye.